This is an Aerokinesis demonstration, one of the many forms of telekinesis. This is wind manipulation. You have to spend time with the wind in order to manipulate it. So right now I'm just pushing it forward gently. Just pushing the wind forward while I'm also feeling it. Intensifying it, turning it up. Now you have to take the wind, pull it behind you, and release it forward. I'm releasing the wind right here. Connecting with it. Pushing it still. Turning it up. Cranking up the volume. Let it flow. Now turning it down. And now the wind has stopped.